Hey, this here's Joey at Best Trailers. I'm gonna show you this custom concession trailer we just got in for a customer. This is an 8.5 by 22. This one's got the orange metal you see with the blackout trim. We do a lot with this blackout trim package. As always, we put the mini split AC unit up here on the front, got the cage around it, as well as the generator platform on the tongue. There's also an access door here to get into the Vinos. We got your sinks up in the Vinos. That's why all your tanks, your plumbing, your panel box, everything's stored up underneath there. Again, semi-screwless exterior. We do a lot with this semi-screwless exterior. Serving shelf on the outside, 3x4 concession window, horizontal sliding glass and screen. Now the porch, we don't do as many like this, so I'm gonna show you this one. This one's got the solid walls, which is very common. You got a side door here on the side with the gullwing style doors in the back, 3 gullwing style doors. We can do gullwing style like this, we can do it all open, or we can do screened indoors, either way. This one's got the let down ramp on the back. We can do the barn door style, or we can do the let down ramp, or removable side, just depending on what you want. The interiors, we can do a number of different colors. If you want them two-tone, if you want them white, if you want them black like this one is, we do that as well. You've got a window in this door, back door. There's also a window in the side door, help you see out of it, know what's out there before you step out. All right, we got the rubber coin flooring on it throughout, so it's easy to clean, all one piece, help keep the moisture out. You've got white aluminum walls, white aluminum ceilings. This is a 7.5 foot interior height. The sinks you can see here across the front, you got everything you need to be compliant. You got the 3 compartment sink, the hand wash sink, some cabinet doors to get to the storage underneath there as well. A shelf going across the top here. LED lights on the inside and outside. So these are real easy to use lights, real simple. The LEDs work off a battery, so you actually don't have to be hooked up to your generator to run the LEDs if you need to. We got plenty of receptacles going down the sidewalls here. 3 or 4 going down this one, same thing, 3 or 4 going down this one. It's already wired and braced for the hood, so if you plan on adding a hood or you want us to add the hood, we can do that. Electrical package is a 50 amp electrical package. If you want a custom concession trailer, come see us today. We'll get you set up. Our number is 478-654-5350. The website's besttrailersusa.com.